Now, these two items are things that are nice to have, so they're not absolutely important, especially if you're just starting out. The first is art masking fluid, and this pretty much helps you get some really beautiful results by adding negative space to your painting. So you would lay this down before you start painting on top, and then once it's completely dried up, you start your painting. Once your painting is dried up, you rub this off, and this kind of just peels off, which is so satisfying to watch and also execute. The next thing is shimmery paints, or metallic paints rather. Now I use MAB watercolors. They are handmade paints from the UK, and I absolutely love her line of not only glitter paints, but also holographic paints. And so you'll see me using them quite often in my paintings. But there's a whole bunch of other brands out there that you can also use. And I feel like there's also paint sets that come with a couple of basic metallic paints. So if metallics are your vibes, I would definitely, or your vibe rather, sorry, I would definitely recommend checking out handmade paints. But if you're just like, meh, it's nice to have, but I'm not super keen on them, then I would probably just get them in your regular sets, which is a great deal.